420 Things Grow in Ontario. Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. And today we have a side-by-side comparison. And these are the AC Infinity heaters, 1,000-watt heaters. One's an S7, one's a T7. There's a few little differences. We're going to go over that today. Just to let you know, I bought these from AC Infinity on their website, just like you can, or Amazon, or eBay, or any of their, their true channels. And if you do it through them and you want to get a discount, use my coupon code. What is it? Well, for their website, it's 420 Things Grow. But that changes from time to time. So check out the description. Check out the first pinned comment. It'll have links. It'll have codes. It'll have everything, okay? It's a little bit weird, but again, it is what it is. So if you want to help me out, that'd be great. And let's go over this, okay? So this right here, this is the one. As you can see, it is the T7, okay? And the T7 has that display unit. As you can see there, it's got display, it's got up and down, it has controls. It also comes with a very specific UIS gray cord. It says, don't plug this gray cord in anything else, only this, because it's very specific to this unit and this unit only, okay? So that being said, it's got a little sticker here, it says it right here on the arm. You want to make sure of that. What that allows you to do is that allows you to use this unit freestanding of the controller. You don't need a controller when you have this, because you'll have the temp here, okay? There is some stuff about this unit. I have a video unboxing of this unit on itself. Goes over more details of this. Go check that out. There's probably a thing here, a card, whatever you want to call them. If not, just go to my channel, 420 Things, and you'll see it, okay? But this allows you to put this in your environment and then pump this into there and then control it by this, right? So you can say, hey, I want the heat to be at X amount of heat. So if it's in there and it's colder than that, this will come on, blow some heat in there. It'll get up to there. It'll shut down when it gets to that temperature. There's some AI controls. It's it. That's what you have. Or you don't use that and you use one of these cool things like me, or you use the cable that it comes with, right? Plug it right into your controller, boom, then you can use your app, okay? That's how this comes with one of these guys. It does not come with tubing. It's just this. It has a removable, a little vent here with a washable filter, and the vent on the side does not come up. That's this unit. Now this unit here, okay, as you can see, there is no on-screen display here, and this is the S7. What it also doesn't come with, it doesn't come with a sensor, okay? It doesn't come with these gray ones or a black one or any sort of sensor. It does not come with it. All it comes with is a UIS cable. So what does that mean? Well, if you plug this into your AI controller, you can control it just like this one. You have the same control. 10 speeds, 10 heats. You control the fan, the heater separately. It all works like that. Same thing. It's got a little thing here. Oh, that came out. It's very similar in that aspect, but there's no on-screen display and also no sensor. So what does that mean? If you don't have a controller, and I only have 10% battery left, so I'm going to have to do this quick. But if you don't have a controller, that means you can't control this. You can turn it on and set it to heat at level 1, and the fan will blow constantly, and it'll just put out one level heat. Or you can go to 10 heat, and it'll blow 10 heat all the way. Or you could switch it from heat to just fan, and you can pick 1 through 10. So 1 very low speed fan, 10 high speed fan. But no control. That's it. You plug it on, you turn it on. That's all you get. Full on, full off, no control, no nothing. So that is, but you can control it with this controller. So that's the difference between these two. They're both 1,000 watts. They both run at the similar speeding. I'm assuming it's very similar on the inside. But it has that same sort of control. A little bit more control with the app, or a little bit more control with this one. It's got the same, with the app, same control. You can use them both the same way. So they're priced accordingly, right? So there's different pricing on these units, okay? At the time of this video, we'll go look, okay? And we'll just go look at the AC Infinity website in real time today at the time of this video, and we're gonna go T7 search. Okay. And hey, look, there's some hosing. Should have got that. Okay, so the ThermoForge T7 plant heater, 1000 watt AI powered VPD temp control, 129.00. Okay, that's USD, I'm assuming, or is that Canadian? Could be Canadian, actually. I don't know. No, that's American. So 129 USD. So now let's search, and let's search the S7. T7, that's this guy right here with the onboard display. The S7, which doesn't have that, is 99. Okay, so you can save 30 bucks, right? 99 to 129. Okay, that's what you get in savings. What do you get for that extra money? Well, you get the onboard screen. You get this cable where you can control it by yourself. But if you've got a controller, this is the one you want. Why? Well, maybe you want this one. Maybe you want both, like I do. But in the access, if you're only ever going to use it on the controller, this is your one. But if you're going to spend a little bit of extra cheddar and get this one, if for some reason you needed to put in another tent for a short little thing, you didn't have a controller for that tent, and then at least with this one, you have the sensor, and you could use it like that. Whereas this one, it's either full on or full off. It's really the difference, man. So price difference for sure. Controllability on its own with a sensor. Controllability with the app. Controllability with the app. Make your decision if you're looking for either one of these. S7 versus the T7, baby. Still 1000 watts, still the fan, still the 4-inch, still the same sort of, functionality. So, yeah. Same tip over, same overheat. There's a lot of stuff that's very similar to this. This one you definitely get a little bit more control, and if you have to take it out of the tent and not use it in a an AI controller or one of the the controllers that you can plug this in on, which is on their website, you then can do it. This one you can't. You're going to be just either whatever you set it to, and it's going to run like that 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This one you can shut it off once it gets to that desired temperature, whether you're using this sensor or with this one on its own, right? This one you can do it through the app. Perfect. So to me, I have both, so I'm lucky. But if I were to pick one of the other ones, is it worth that extra little bit of money? I think for me, I have a tent right here on a table right here. It has a controller though, because it's a full tent setup. But I have other small tents that I may pull up during, propagation season for my outdoor veggies. That I wouldn't mind this. This is going to be, I'm going to plug this one into my tent today. I'm going to run it in my big tent. I'm just going to have it circulating inside the tent with no things, no nothing. And it's just going to circulate in my tent. This one I could do in a tent, in a room, in anything with that plug. So a little bit of extra money for that. If you want to save a little bit on a budget, go with this one. Plug it into your pre-existing controller. You're good to go. And if you want to do it on its own without an AC Infinity controller, I think you should probably get the more expensive one. That's just my opinion. Take it with a grain of salt. You make your decision. And if you make your decision and you thought, hey, man, thanks, Mike, for this video. It made it clear for me. You want to use my coupon code. You will get a discount. I will get a kickback. And it will help the channel, man. Bring me more videos like this, right? So I appreciate you. First pinned comment in the description. Check the unboxing videos of this. I have unboxing videos of everything, man. A lot of stuff on my stuff, and more to come. So be on the lookout. Like, subscribe, and do all that jazz. Yeah.
Apparently, 420 things grow in Ontario. It's a good place. Where Dave's not there, man. Okay. Check out youtube.com/420things. 4things, things capital, THINGS, 4 DIY. Okay, apparently you get medical videos, growing and all things a beginner needs to know when you're growing your own medicine at home. Well, I gotta check it out. 420 THI. Oh, youtube.com/420things.